a simple guide to reading laundry symbols. Okay, there are really only a few laundry symbols that you guys actually need to be concerned about, and then each of these have their own categories, information, and more details about them. So to start off, we're going to start with the tub with the water in it. This is going to reference how to wash it, the wash cycle, and the wash temperature of this one. It's going to be a pretty important one since these are going to be the main factors you're concerned about when doing your laundry. Number 2 is the triangle. The triangle talks a bit more about the bleaching instructions. This will be whether you can bleach it, how much, or not to. Number 3 is the square with the circle inside of it. This talks about the tumble drying temperature and whether you can actually use the tumble drying and what temperature you're able to do it at. Next is the square alone. This talks about the actual drying method. This would mean whether you can put it in the dryer, air dry it, or any of the other options. The little iron. This is going to talk about the temperature for ironing and the settings you can use, whether that be steam setting, non-steam setting, or any of the above. And finally, the circle alone. This is going to talk about the dry cleaning information, whether you can dry clean it and what kind of information you'll need to know for it. These are some of the most common laundry symbols you're going to see on your laundry tags. So this is an easy way to remember how to decode them and what they mean. As always, thanks for watching. I hope this information was very helpful and I can't wait to see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning and home videos. Have a great day, everyone.